what the box looks like inside when you get it. Very simple. Usually just a couple of boxes in there, some extra wraps, but that's about it. Just break open the box. A lot of people like to break open the box, don't cut it down, so in case you need to send it back, but I cut it down, it just makes it easier. Let's finish. Oh boy, there you go. Little bike, we got some extra thing. We got a basket, we got a tire, we got a seat, we got handlebars, and that's about it. Let's clean the mess up. Boom. All right, what's in the box? Safety manual, user's manual, pedals, axle, AC power supply, and a cool little toolkit. Let's do it. Yes, sir. 2. Here you go, guys. Make sure those handlebars are nice and straight. You tighten up that stem screw. 2 screws here. Now let's get the wheel on. See this packaging stuff right here. Lock washers in the hole. Lock washers in the hole, and tighten them bolts. Spin it freely. That's the way you want it. You don't want that wheel to be touching anything. There you go. That's a wheel. Let's put the front fender on. Very simple. Slide this baby up here. Tie that onto these nuts right here. Okay. Nice and tight. It's like plastic pedals. Lefty tighty, righty tighty. There you go, that's your basket. All right, let's check out the display here, guys. The M button is the mode button. You hold it 1 1000, 2 1000, turns it off. 1 1000, 2 1000, turns it on. And if you keep the mode button pressed, you see it goes from odometer to trip to voltage to current. Let's go back to your odometer. Then you have your assist button right there. See that? You hold that plus, you go 1, 2, 3. Only 3, so 3, 2, 1. Back down to 0. When it's in 0, guys, throttle does not work. The power button is pretty cool because then it tells you how much of the battery you're using. You hold down the plus sign right here, and then you can see your headlight comes on. I'll show you that. Your headlight, guys, pretty good. Brake light, and then you hold it back down again, and your headlight goes off. If you hold the plus and the minus symbol together, then your P01, which is your mileage, and then you can go back to mode. Hit P02 is your P03 is your brightness. You bring that down to this, and then back up again. P04 is your it resets your odometer, and then back to 1, 2, 3, 4. So always check the user's manual about this stuff so that you don't change any settings you don't know anything about. So that's your display, guys. Real simple. You got your left grip, Your left brake, which is your front, your right brake, which is your back, your grip. You got your throttle right here. You got your bell, which is pretty cool. You got a reflector. And then you can adjust this by loosening this up. You can bring your handlebars up and down depending on how comfortable you feel about that. Because remember, guys, Starboard Bow is not the expert. The expert in this case is the IsinWheel U1 Pro. Let's bring fun to your way. It's got plastic fenders. You got a couple of plastic pedals. You get the basket in the back. You got the seat. You got the handlebars, display, folding handlebars, which are pretty cool. Headlight, rear light. This is called the U1 Pro by IsinWheel, guys. U1 Pro. It weighs about 53, 54 pounds. It's, for looking at it, you never know it'd weigh that much, but it does. The size unfolded, guys. The size unfolded is 52 by 22 by 42 inches. It says it gets up to 40 miles, guys. Remember, guys, I've been doing this for a long time. It depends on the guy riding the bike or the girl riding the bike, too. It depends on how long it's going to be before you get that up to that 40 miles. It's a 500-watt motor. It says the max load on this thing is 264 pounds. Got that 36-volt battery going right there in the center of the bike, which is pretty. It's a pretty neat-looking bike, guys. I mean, I love the color on this thing. The 8 charger inputs, AC 100, 240 volts, 50, 60 hertz, 60 hertz in our case. The output on this thing is a DC 42 volt, 2 amp output. The charging time on the battery is going to be 4 to 5 hours, guys. And there's your little notch where you charge that sucker at. And there's your folding, guys, if you wanted to know where the folding was. That's where you're folding, just the handlebars on this. It's got a 1-year warranty. There's some information more in the user's manual, guys, so please check it out. Don't depend on Starboard Bow when it comes to the professional specs. Check everything out. Make sure it's comfortable for you guys. I'll tell you what, isn't that a beautiful looking bike? I'm really impressed with this thing. Very impressed. I love the color on that color on that bike. So next step is, guys, making sure everything is nice and tightened down, and we're taking this thing for a ride. IsinWheel U1 Pro, we're going for a ride. That's right, we are going for a ride. Throttle only right off the bat. I love doing a throttle only right off the bat. Got it in pedal assist 3 so that it goes to the max. Because I know in these things, pedal assist, the throttle only works in the pedal assist level that you're at. So I'm up to 15, up to 16 already. It's a little wobbly. I mean, you know, I got the tires I thought tightened down pretty good. I'm getting 18.9 miles an hour. It says I got 4 bars, but it says I'm using power. See that power button on the top? That's not always a good thing. Okay, so you might want to save your power by just pedaling. See, now there's no power at all, but I'm on pedal assist 3 and it's giving me all the power. So let's go down to pedal assist 1. Still using a little power, almost using the same amount of power. Wait a second. Okay, now I think it was in cruise control. Wait a second. I got it in pedal assist 1, and it's, you know what? I think in the settings, I might have messed with this thing in the settings. And I'm going to have to go in that P settings and switch that back. Because I think what I did was the throttle only goes to what the pedal assist was, but I didn't do that. But you know what? Let's just do this now. Let's just cruise around, check out what's happening. Man, this thing, I'll tell you what, for a little ass bike, it's under $300-400. This thing goes up to 20 miles an hour. Pedaling is great. This is not, for a 5'9.5", I'm pretty good. I think 6 foot, it's even good. The seat doesn't even go down any lower, and I'm barely touching the ground. And the tires, obviously, smaller tires. And this is just cruising right along, and it's got some torque on it for a little tiny ass bike. Tires are smaller, so you want to be careful with the tires. You want to be careful you're not riding over anything stupid. So just keep your heads up on the ground when you're going. And I'll tell you what, the cushion, that seat shock is, and it's adjustable, guys. Seat shock is adjustable. Man, this thing moves. We're gonna check the thing real quick. We're gonna check and see how it goes up this tiny little steep hill that I got right here. And people always go, oh, use the same hill. You know what? I like using what works so that I can test what these guys are telling me this bike's about. You know what I mean? It's the way it is. I mean, come on. Let's go. Got this little steep hill right here. All right, you got to pedal. You get up it, you got to pedal. It's not like all the other ones. I might end up just keeping this one, guys. I love this bike. And it's gonna fit my motorhome real easy. Yes, please. Thank you very much. You trying to tell me I need Diet Coke now? Wow, look how beautiful it is out right now, guys. Got the Hornets all the way down that way. You can see here. Let's get some lunch. I'm cruising around this beautiful little thing. It's a cute ass little thing. I love that, the green and the white on there, that bar. Now it doesn't come with a key. It has a 1, 2, 3 pedal assist. It's got a thumb throttle. You guys know me, I'm not a big thumb throttle fan. Has the bell, which is cool, because that's what about people always do when they're cruising around on their bikes, right? Is they're doing some routes, they're going back and forth, they're usually on a bike path. Now, if you get the big nubby tires on there, then you do, off-roading, you do some hiking trails, that kind of stuff. But when you're on something like this is a cruiser, this is a commuter. Yeah, I'm loving this little bike right here. I'll tell you what. One of the things I like to do is I like to ride around on a lawn to see how the shocks are. This thing has a shock on the seat. So if it has a shock on the seat, this thing should work out really good. I mean, come on. Let's do this. Always loving to up and up. Wow. I don't know if you guys can hear me, man, but this thing is holding up really well on this lawn. Jesus. That seat and the shock seat is really doing the job. Smooth. Oh my gosh. As long as you don't get on any gopher holes, you're doing pretty good. This is really cool. Works out really good. Man, I'll tell you what. The seat is so comfortable. know what to tell you. It's as smooth as silk with this shock. It's kind of, and it's an adjustable shock too, so you can make it harder or softer around you. I hope you can hear me over this wind, guys, but it's just cruising down this hill, baby. And the small tires, you'd think it would be rougher. You know, I think it'd be wobbly, but you have control. It's not, the front end is kind of small, like the tire's small, but you have control over the steering. I mean, I'm going back and forth, you know, doing the zipping and the wing, and it's cool, but you have to have your hands on the bars here, because there's really not a lot of play. But, I mean, this is great. There you go, crew. Let's wrap this up on the way back to the Hornet IsinWheel U1 Pro. Thank you, IsinWheel, for sending the product to us, giving me the opportunity to do a product review for you guys. Hey, please check it out. All the information, warranty, links, discount code from Starboard Bow will be in the description of this video. Please don't forget to comment. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that bell, guys, so that we can tell you next time there's another video out from Starboard Bow IsinWheel. Again, thank you for the opportunity. We'll see you guys down the road.